Nothing is worse than waiting too long to catch up with one of your best friends, except embarrassing yourself with sweaty, yellow pit stains. Yikes! Take a regular shawl or pashmina and put it over your head. With both hands, pull both corners under your arms and in front of your chest. Tie them together in a knot, like so. Now here's the fun part. Take this knot and slide it over your head. Check it out! You've got a new funky vest to hide those unsightly pit stains. Take that, summer weather! Ever go from Netflix and chill to Netflix and clothing malfunction? Don't stress, you can fix this. Just take a pair of scissors and a pinch of creativity. It feels good being helpful, doesn't it? Place the torn pair of pants on a table in front of you. Fold them in half so one leg is on top of the other. Find the corner sticking out, that's the crotch of the pants that needs mending. By making this rip even bigger, you can now place your entire head through it. Now put your arms through what used to be the pant legs. They're now sleeves. Wow, they actually fit pretty nicely. And there you have it, a cute new crop top you can wear to work out in, or lounge around and watch more Netflix. Hey, we don't judge. You've been looking forward to this party for weeks. Oh, hey girl. Wait a minute, she stole my look. Lucky for you, you have a creative mind to back you up. Slide that skirt up over your chest. Snag a belt, thin or thick, and cinch it to accentuate your waistline. Top it off with a cute denim jacket and voila! You've got an adorable party dress that no one else will have. Go on, give us a twirl. You know you want to. See, no need to fight. Here's to creativity. Cheers! Ever wake up like this? Oversleeping is the worst. Will you have time to get ready? Time to turn those PJs into a look. Slip the pants off and put both legs into one side. Now pull them up over your chest. Take the unused pant leg, scrunch it up, and slide your head through. Whoa, super stylish for PJs, that's for sure. Ha, sucker. Add a cute pair of heels and a bag and you're all set. And the Best Dressed award goes to… At work, it's easy to get in the zone. You totally forgot about happy hour with the girls. Don't stress, take the straps off your cotton undershirt and slide them over your head to either side. Like so. That's it. Who knew going from daytime to nighttime could be so effortlessly chic? And it can be your little secret. Ooh, it's time to get dresses to go out. What to wear, what to wear. This? Nah, too warm. A sweater? Not quite right. Oh, I totally forgot I had these cut-off shorts from last summer. Super cute. Yep, we've found a winner. Yep, they totally fit. Wait. Oh man, my entire butt is hanging out. These are a lot shorter than I remember. Try this. Squeeze some glue along the back side of the edge of the shorts. Snag some scraps of your favorite fabric, lace is a great choice, and press it firmly on the glue. Oops! Don't forget to wrap it around the front the same way. Glue, then press. Guys, what DIYs and crafts would you like us to make? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you want to see more of our videos soon. Who knew a pair of old shorts could look so cute? Congrats! You avoided an embarrassing booty slip. Well done! Nothing like spending your afternoon watching the same sitcom you've seen 100 times. Hey! We have plans, remember? Get it together, Helly! Save time by wearing your oversized t-shirt in a new way. Slide your arms through the neck and down to your waist. Now tuck those pesky armholes in. Well, what do you know? Cute pockets! Seriously, easiest outfit change ever, right? Let's go! Tap the notification bell to know when there are new videos from our channel. The old coffee dribble on the white shirt situation. Yikes. Lucky for Helly, all hope's not lost. Check it out! Take a marker or pen and outline the stains. Seriously, stick with us here. Your clumsiness just turned into a fantasy coffee island. Pretty impressive. Is it just me, or is this way cuter than the plain white t-shirt was before? How do you like these clothing hacks? Pretty awesome, right? And if you don't get them right the first time, don't worry, it just takes a little bit of practice. Whether you're running late or in an outfit matching crisis, all it takes is a little creativity and plenty of deep breaths. You got this, fashionista! Thanks for watching! Please subscribe to our channel!